welcome to Jarvis Mountain Outdoors. Welcome back if you've been here before, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. I am trying to continue to grow our channel while Duane recovers from neck surgery he had a few weeks ago, and just wanted to check in. We were able to get our garden in over Memorial Day weekend, and it's the biggest garden we've ever had, and it's finished 99.9%. We just got a nice little thunderstorm, so we got some good rain showers on it. He was able to make me one raised bed this year at 4 foot by 8 foot before he had his surgery. We're also experimenting with some grow bags too. We've got a couple things growing in pots. He's actually out in the barn right now finishing up a couple of herb boxes that he's made for me out of some rough sawn cedar. We live near an Amish community, so we were able to get some cedar boards fairly reasonably priced. And so he's out there working on that. Now he has been under some restrictions, so he hasn't been doing anything too strenuous or too exciting out here on our property. So that is the explanation I have for the lack of videos lately. So he's about 4 weeks out, and we're hoping he's released soon and can get back to doing some more things outdoors. There's a lot to be done here, so I'm heading in to make some summer homemade body wash. If that's something that you're interested in, stick around. Alright, so I'm in the kitchen. I have three different ingredients here for homemade summer body wash, and I'm excited about this because it contains aloe vera gel, and this is an organic aloe vera gel. And in my research, I've learned that aloe vera gel is a good anti-aging moisturizer. So I'm not, 25 years old anymore. I'm a little bit older than that, and I'm just happy to find something natural that I can use on my skin that might help with maybe wrinkles or age spots, sun damage. But I bought this brand. It is 7 Minerals aloe vera gel, and it is 98.7% organic ingredients. There's no added water. It's alcohol free. It says no unnecessary ingredients on the bottle. For this recipe for body wash, I'm only going to make a small batch, but I'm using a half cup of Dr. Bronner's pure Castile soap. This is the almond scent. This is my favorite. Half a cup. Pour it in my bowl. I'm going to use a half a cup of aloe vera gel. Dump it in my bowl. And I'm going to use just about maybe half of a tablespoon of vegetable glycerin. Vegetable glycerin helps your skin to retain moisture. I'm not going to use a bunch. Alright, so those are my 3 ingredients. Alright, I've got my emulsion blender. I'm going to get it all mixed up. Here's your homemade body wash. Body gel, actually. It's more of a gel than it is a body wash. It is thicker than the other body wash in my last video that used the coconut milk. I will transfer the body gel over to this bottle, and this will go in my shower and last me a couple weeks. And there you have it. If you prefer, you can use the unscented Dr. Bronner's Castile soap. Add your own essential oils to make your own scent. I just thought the aloe vera gel would be perfect for summer. Everyone's outdoors getting sunburned, hopefully not too bad, but everyone uses aloe when they get a sunburn, so why not use it in your body wash? It's a great moisturizer. So if you like these kind of videos, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. You never know what we're going to get into here. We'll see you on the next one.